Hello everyone. In this video I kind of want to show you how to map a network printer. I recently came across an issue where a person was getting their printer replaced and they needed it mapped to somewhere else so they could still print while that was being taken care of. So in Windows 10, it's actually been improved since the last time because you can go into devices, you can add a printer. You'll start searching for the printers that are on your network. If you don't find the printer, you can click on the printer is not that I want isn't listed. A box comes up and it actually allows you to click on this checkbox, which wasn't here before, and so it's kind of a little more of a step process to actually adding a printer using a TCP/IP address. And so a network printer is going to have an IP address, so you can click next. One of the ways you can find the IP address is either A, have the client or the user try to print off from the menu screen the system information. The test print page will actually have the IP address, or you can try logging into the server. If you don't have access to the server, another thing I found is if you pull up the Windows folder, go to network, if they're not having files and sharing, you can make sure that's, normally if it's not sharing, as you can see there's multiple PCs here, normally there's about like 5 or 6 PCs in the company, maybe more. And so what you can do is you can actually jump into that PC, and you're not actually remoting in, you're just actually looking at some of their shares, if they have any printers mapped. So once you find the IP address, you can click next, and it'll actually try to connect to this IP address. This is actually a fake IP address. I'm curious to see what it actually does. So once you do put the IP address and the computer detects the TCP/IP port, it's going to give you an option to load the drivers. If it's not in the drivers, nothing you can do is you can go to the web browser and type in the IP address, and sometimes it takes you to the actual company website. If not, you can at least see what the make and model is. Sometimes if you ask the user, sometimes they don't know. So unfortunately, you didn't find my fake IP address, but it does give you a list, so you can come in through here. And this is a list of the printer drivers that come with Windows, and so you can try to find your printer. If not, you can actually use a disk. And again, if you have the IP address, you can type it into a web browser, and it'll take you to the printer web interface. And there's a printer. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. Thank you.